The radio systems in these Audi A4s are held in with 4 bolts, but to get access to these 4 bolts we first have to remove the fascia, the centre vents and the climate control module. To remove the fascia around the LCD screen there are 4 clips, one on each corner, so we can pry these out using our fingers. Pop this up onto the dash. To remove the vents, there's a hole in the inside of the vent about an inch back on the left and right. We can use a small hook tool to insert into the hole, and that lets us unclip centre vents which come out in a single piece. To remove the climate controls, we simply use our hook tool again and find the hole on the bottom left and pull. We can then use our hands to unclip that module, and we can just leave it aside for now. We now have access to the 4 8mm bolts that hold the radio in position. With the 4 bolts removed, we can simply slide the radio out, and we can then remove our 3 terminals at the back to remove the radio fully. To reinstall the radio, we simply slide it back in, making sure that the wires don't get caught. And we reinsert our 4 bolts. With our 4 bolts back in, everything else just slots in. Our climate controls just click in. Then our centre 2 vents click in. And the fascia around our LCD screen, seats. Just make sure all your clips are fully seated and everything is lined up. And that's quick instructions on how to remove and replace the radio in a Audi A4 B8 model. Thanks, bye bye.